This is one of the easy and tasty mutton gravy recipe and mutton soup recipe. First add clean mutton in the pressure cooker. Then add some cumin seeds. Then add 1 chopped onions and tomato. Then add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Now add a half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add 2 cups of water. Mix well, cover and cook it in your pressure cooker for 15 minutes. After releasing the pressure, open the pressure cooker and you will get your mutton soup. Now add the mutton soup in a bowl. After adding the mutton soup in a bowl, add a tablespoon of pepper and adjust the salt to your taste. Now our healthy mutton soup is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Now to make mutton gravy, the same pressure cooker, add sesame oil, then add a tablespoon of cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, curry leaves, pepper, cloves, fennel seeds and cardamom. Then add in onion shallots, 1 bowl and 1 garlic. Now mix well. With this add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute well. The shallots should get cooked really well, so saute it well till the shallots get cooked well. Now add this mixture in a mixer. With that, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and half a tablespoon of garam masala. Now grind it well with water. Now in the same pressure cooker, add mustard seeds, add a bunch of curry leaves. Then add a grinded masala in it. Now cook the masala really well. With that, add a tablespoon of salt with it. Now after the masala gets cooked well, add in the mutton which we have cooked for the soup. Mix well. Now close it and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now after the pressure releases, open our mutton gravy. Now our mutton gravy is ready to serve. You can add curry leaves and serve it in this stage. But if you want it little more thick, then switch on the stove for 5 more minutes, add in the curry leaves and coriander leaves and mix well to get it little thick. Now switch on the flame and a easy mutton recipe is ready to serve. Finally garnish it with some coriander leaves.